tell her hi? Say hello.
Could you give her a little kiss on the cheek?
Oh yeah, right here.
Could you give her a little kiss? Could you do that?
Go. Can you kiss her hand right here? It won't hurt you. Look, watch mommy do it.
We don't gotta do all that. You're just getting used to it. I'm talking about making out.
Look, she wants you to.
She's trying to give you a hug. That's sweet. Is that your sister? Can you say sister?
Sissy.
She's soft. You see her hair? You see her hair here? Look.
Yeah. Look at her ears. Feel of it.
Don't pick your boogers.
Yeah, pick your nose.
It's not. Oh my
daughter,
gosh.
say just wait.
You see her hair? Oh, it's like Bella is soft. You want to feel it? Is she heavy? Okay.